Think algebra is difficult? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to solve equations involving variables, brackets, and fractional coefficients using simple step-by-step methods. Let's see if you can solve them before I do. We have 5y minus 2 equals 3y plus 4. The way I solve this is I'll move the 3y to the left side and I'll move the negative 2 to the right side. But while I do this, I have to change the sign of anything that moves across the equal sign. So I'll have 5y minus 3y, since the 3y was positive on the right, equals 4 plus 2, so the 2 changes to plus since it's moving to the right side. And now this becomes symbol. So 5y minus 3y equals 2y, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Divide both sides by 2, and y will equal 3. Now the next question is 4 brackets x minus 3 close the bracket equal negative 2. So we have to use the property of distribution, distribute the 4 right through into the brackets, and we get 4x minus 12 equals negative 2. Now we move the negative 12 to the other side, we get 4x equals negative 2 plus 12. We have to change the sign of negative 12. Since we moved it to the right side, we have 4x equals 10. And now you need to divide both sides by 4, and you have x equals, and you reduce 10 over 4. 2 goes into 4 twice and goes into 10 5 times, so the answer is x equals 5 over 2. So the next set of questions, lots of students find challenging. And they find challenging because, as you see, we have leading coefficients that are fractions. But what I'm going to show you is how to get rid of the fractions right away. And how to get rid of the fractions is you multiply by the least common denominator. Between 4 and 6, the least common denominator is 12. You multiply each term by 12. So when you multiply 3/4 2x minus 3 in brackets by 12, you only multiply the 12 into 3/4. And so what you do, you multiply the 12 only to the top. And a whole number times a fraction, you only multiply the whole number to the top. So you get 36 over 4, which gives you 9. So you'll have 9 brackets 2x minus 3 equals, and you do the same thing to the other term. 12 times 5 is 60, and 60 divided by 6 is 10. And so you'll have 10 brackets negative 2 minus 4x. And now you distribute the 9 into the 2x minus 3, and you distribute the 10 into the negative 2 minus 4x. So you're going to get 18x minus 27 equals negative 20 minus 40x. And now you'll have 18x, move the negative 40x to the other side, becomes plus 40x equals negative 20, and move the negative 27 to the other side of the equal sign, and you get plus 27. Now 18x plus 40x is 58x equals 7. Now divide everything by 58, and you get x equals 7 over 58. And here in the next question, we have 3 plus 1/4, 5x plus 3 in brackets equals 3 over 8, x minus 4 in brackets. The lowest common denominator here is 8. And when we multiply the 8, we have to multiply it into the 3, we have to multiply it into the 1/4, and we have to multiply it into the 3/8. So 8 times 3, that's 24, and 8 times 1/4, that's 8 over 4, so it'll give me 2. Brackets 5x plus 3, and then 3 times 3/8, that's going to be 24 over 8, which is 3, brackets x minus 4. And now we have 24 plus 2 times 5x is 10x, and 2 times 3 is 6 equals 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So now, and I'm going to bring the x's to one side, so I'll have 10x. Bring in the 3x to the left side of the equal sign will make it minus 3x equals negative 12. Move the 24 to the other side of the equal sign, becomes minus 24. And the same thing with the 6. When you move to the other side, it becomes negative 6 as well. I have 7x equals negative 42. Divide both sides by 7. X equals negative 6. Great job if you understood these questions. You're well on your way to mastering grade 10 algebra. Keep practicing, and remember, math gets easier with every problem you solve. See you in the next lesson.